Welcome aboard, feeling naughty. Okay, so I have a mission today. A couple weeks ago, my faucet, my kitchen faucet in the Carver, decided to crap out on me just for the cold valve. So I'm going to replace this kitchen faucet here. So I don't know exactly what connectors are down there. I read in the spec sheet that it was a 1/2 inch. This is 3/8, so I got a couple connectors with me. So I have the water turned off right now, but this is going to look really nice. I got the glacier bay, and I got this one specifically so you can still use the coffee maker. So this doesn't go all the way up; that it's more of an angle right here, so anybody can make some coffee over here. So I'm gonna go get some work done on this. Go under here and take it all apart, but I'll show you the process and what I did. So stay with me in a minute. Okay, step one is take your faucet out, and it wasn't that hard. Right here you can see the old one with some connectors. So I'm gonna have to actually end up going to Home Depot, and if you're gonna do this job, you gotta have a drill, because check this out. The hole right here is slightly too small to fit this. So I'm just gonna rotor out a little bit. I don't have the circle bit with me, so I'm just improvising with my drill. So stay tuned. I'm probably gonna get the flush mount it, and then head to Home Depot, and then come back with you guys when I actually have it fully installed. So if you're going to do this job, you're definitely going to need a small, I would say get a circular bit, and or just this to rotor it out. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've made my 2 trips to Home Depot, and if you have a standard Carver and it's never been replaced, most likely it's a compression fitting. Don't get any type of fitting, because a 3/8 non-compression fitting will not fit on it. So this is exactly what I got. It's 3/8 outer diameter times 3/8 in MIP. So I was able to attach that to the end of the hose, and check this out. So it turns on, and I have a wand. So for less than, it's probably catching on something. Oh, there we go. It goes back in. So for less than $100, I have a faucet that works. So I'm pretty happy about this. And you can see down here, that's that little space in there is what I had to deal with. You can barely see in there. So that's what I had to work with, and I got it done. So I didn't have to cut too big of a hole over here. It was just like edge it out. So it was just edging it out, and I was able to get it. So thumbs up on new faucet installation. Yay! I got hot water and cold water. Perfect for under $100. Can't beat it. So I'll have my pearls of wisdom back at the house. I'll talk to you guys soon. Ciao. Okay, so I made it back, and that was a easy fix. It just takes some time to actually get the right parts you need from Home Depot and Lowe's for the connectors. So I advise don't go to Home Depot until you take it apart, because I made 2 trips unnecessary. So here's my quote of the day. It comes from John D. Rockefeller. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. And this is a great point for today, because I'm actually going to be selling this yacht, and I'm going to get another yacht. And the best time of a boater's life isn't when he buys it or when he sells it. It's when he sells it, he's actually thinking about what the next boat's going to be. So it's been good. This yacht's been great, but it's not going to suit my needs later on. I'm thinking about a trawler, a mini trawler, so I can go offshore, and it has the fishing capabilities, or an express cruiser. I don't even know what it's going to have offshore capabilities. So maybe a something awesome. So, and I've been looking at the trawlers like the Swift, Beneteau Swift Trawler 34 would be awesome. So, and if anybody wants to see the actual boat for sale, I actually have it listed at Boat Trader. Over the next couple days, I have actually a couple showings this weekend. Surprisingly, I guess it's the boating life right now, but we're definitely going to stay on the water. And after I sell this boat, I'm going to purchase one of the slips at the Conch House Marina, and then put the actual Beneteau or whatever we find. Actually, the wife has to approve the next boat purchase because it's going to be a lot more than what I just spent on this one. So hope you like these videos. I'm going to make a couple more of doing some renovations to the Carver over the next couple days. I'm going to do some electronics. I got some painting to do, and not the electronics, the wiring for the lights. I want some blue lights up there. And here's the thing: even if I don't sell it, I use it all the time. And that's the great thing. Like, no matter if I sell this one or don't, I'm using it on a weekly basis, and we're having a lot of fun with it. So stay tuned for the next couple videos, and like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. When you subscribe, you actually have to hit the notification bell as well to see get notified of new videos. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.